Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Today we're going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club called Bluefield Memories by Anne Julie Aubry. Okay, and it's a new one. Okay, it comes in this beautiful box and it says square diamonds because you see the square and it's blue. Scan me for unlocking 10% off. It tells you how it works step by step, what's inside the kit. Okay, so let's open this baby up. So what do we know about Anne Julie? We know that Anne Julie is from France, and her inspiration comes from fairy tales, inner feelings, nature, music, and memories. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Oh, okay. So let's put that aside. Let's look at the toolkit. The tweezers. I guess they must have forgotten to put them in there. And that's okay. All right, let's see what's in here. Ooh, I like the cover minder. Okay, so it comes with resealable bags, tweezers, a pen, and a grip. This is supposed to help with your hands if you suffer from arthritis. Placers, wax in this pretty container, and they're heart shaped. And look at the cover minder, guys. It's so cute. It's ice cream with a little ice cream cone. I don't have this one. Very cute. And very, very pretty washi tape. Look at the colors in that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty cool. Okay, and of course the tray, nice and deep. All right, it's a white tray actually, and this is the stopper to prevent the drills from spilling. Okay, and it also comes with a small sticker, and it tells you it's Bluefield Memories by Anne Julie Aubry, and usually you can stick this in your logbook or on the bottom of the box. All right, the canvas always comes in this plastic to protect it while it's traveling. So let's open this baby up. So Diamond Art Club, the canvas is very, very soft like butter. Yep. And it's designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying. And it's made from waterproof tarpaulin fabric for extra strength. All right. So it looks like, oh, let's get the drills out and the sticker. So like we mentioned, here's the big sticker. It comes with a little sticker and a big sticker. And it shows you a beautiful picture. Okay, and then you put down the start date or the end date, and this could also go in your logbook. It comes with the pre-cut stickers for your containers. And it comes also with a thank you for your purchase, which is basically what's inside the kit, tips and tricks, and step-by-step instructions. Okay, let's put that aside. And now let's look at the canvas. So over here at the bottom, it always has a picture. It tells you it's from Diamond Art Club. It's called Bluefield Memories. It's 20 inches by 26 inches, and it's 50.8 centimeters by 66 centimeters. The artist is Anne Julie Aubry from Diamond Art Club. And in the middle, take 10 for 10% off on your next order. Facebook and Instagram, you can find them. Over here it tells you it has a lifetime warranty. It also has a 30-day money-back guarantee. It also has a free diamond spill insurance and a 10% cashback rewards with every order. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm loving it already, guys. Okay, so it has two legends. One legend is on the right-hand side at the bottom, and the other one is going to be on the left-hand side. Oh my gosh. And I love, love, love. This is like the perfect size, I think. Okay, and you can roll your canvas because you can. It's Diamond Art Club. All right. It is, oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, calm down. So let's look at the legend here. The glare. Is that better? Okay, that's good. All right, so it tells you on the legend how many colors. So it's got 41 colors. It tells you the symbol, and the symbol is what you're going to find in the painting, and the DMC code. Okay. And on the top, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. Now, this painting, guys, it is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. So what I see a young woman, okay? It looks like she's walking in the field, okay? And she recalls everything that that was around her. So she remembers the butterflies, the dragonflies, and also it looks like, if you look at her dress, at the end of her dress, look at this, it looks like the wings of the dragonfly. So maybe she's becoming part of her memory, okay? And also, if you look, she's wearing a key around her neck, and maybe the key represents the memory, which is probably the key that opens the key to her happiness. That's the way I see it. And look at the background, guys. Look at the colors of this painting. It's these beautiful different shades of blues and greens. And then you see all these flowers. I don't know if it's cotton, but that's what it looks like. And the butterflies, the dragonflies, and the beautiful white dress. I love everything about her. And I love her little, she's got like this little pink and red lips. She has her eyes closed because she's thinking. Or can she recall like this music, like this very soft music, and she's dancing with the butterflies and the dragonflies. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right, let me bring it up so you can see it. There's the dragonfly. I don't know, you can see how clear. Let's look at her beautiful face. Look at that. Look at that long, beautiful, long black hair. Let me put my, so you can see the butterfly. That's one of the butterflies. It's like a pink coral butterfly. All right, let's see. Okay, very sticky, very clear. And now let us look at the drills. Okay, these are the drills. And what's great about this, it already has a sticker that says Bluefield Memory. So if you separate, like I do, separate the drills from the canvas, you will know that these drills belong to that canvas. So let me open them up, lay them out, and I'll be right back. Okay, let us begin. 152, and it looks like it's like a pink. I think you can see them there. 168 is like a gray or pewter. 223 is also like a darker pink. And of course, 310, we have 2 bags of 310, which is beautiful black. I love this color. I actually like 310s. Okay, 315, it's like a mauve. 451. Is this like a purplish, color? Yeah. And 453, it's like a very, very light gray. All right, 501, it's like a blue green, very pretty. Can you see the colors there, guys? All right, 502, also in the green family. I believe this is probably for the background. All these greens are probably for the background. 503, also beautiful blue-green. And 598, it's a very, very pretty light blue. I like that color. 646. It's like a gray. 647, a lighter gray. 648, we have two of these. It's a gray. 718, very little of it. It's like a pink, probably for the butterflies. 754, very, very light, like a peachy color. 760 reminds me like coral, also probably for the butterflies. And 762 is a very, very light gray. Oops. 842, like a light beige. 902, it's like a purplish, pinkish. Let's see, I had these in order. 951 and 30. Actually, wait, I had these in order. 3022, it's a gray. 3023, another gray. 3024, these are probably all for the background, all grays. Well, this is more like a green. And 3033. Can you see it? Okay, let me do one more. 3371 is like a dark chocolate. 3607 is a very pretty pink. 3608, another pink but lighter. 3712, very, very pretty, like a red orange. It's like peachy. I don't know, maybe coral or salmon. 3722. 3768, it's like a blue-green. 3782, very, very light beige. Can you see that? And 3790 and 3809, it's like a pretty blue-green. 3812, it's a lighter, sort of minty. That's what it reminds me of, like a minty color. And this one too, 3817, like a minty green. 3824 and 3861. Okay, so far it looks like lots of blues and greens and pinks and light beiges and browns. Okay, I'm gonna move them. Okay, and this is the last. We have 4 of 5200, and this must be for her beautiful dress. It's like a white. Leave it as white. Okay, and then let's bring out the 2 ABs. There's only 2 ABs. So I forgot to mention that Anne Julie, the artist, also has 4 other, well, altogether 4 paintings at Diamond Art Club. And one of them is this one. And then there's Moonlight Bride, Purple Meadow, and Talisman. And it's square, and it's got 39 colors plus 2 ABs, so altogether 41 colors. Okay, so this one is 139 in AB, very, very little. And 141. It looks like it's white. All right, so let's bring back the painting and let's see where we find these ABs. All right, so if you look at the legend, okay, so 139 is number 1 on the painting. So number 1, oh, la la la, where are you? Okay, I see some here on her dress, at the bottom of her dress. Because remember, it's not a lot. Thought maybe you would have some around here, but you don't want to overdo it with bling on this one, guys, because this is a very, very soft painting. Okay, so it looks like it's on her dress, at the ends of her dress, which is perfect. And then 141 is a 2. So it looks like there's a 2 here, I did see, I thought I saw twos around here. Down here. All these down here are number 2. So it looks like they're sprinkled. And also not a lot. Let's see. And I think that's about it, which I believe is perfect because like I said, it's a very, very beautiful has soft colors and you don't want to, bling it too much. So, and there's some twos here on her hair. Okay. So I hope you love it as much as I do. And thank you again and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. Bye-bye.